Stolen device protection adds another layer of protection for when your phone is away from any areas that's unfamiliar to it. So if your phone is ever stolen. So in this video, I'm going to take you through turning on and off this level of security. If your phone is ever away from any familiar places, home, work, this layer of protection comes into play and comes into effect when somebody knows or guesses your passcode. It adds a security delay in the time that somebody's got your phone, their level of access to your phone. Stolen device protection will stop a thief from being able to carry out critical operations on your phone to access the details. When your phone is in a familiar place, it will not carry out this level of protection because it's either at home or in the workplace. You can also turn this level of security on apple.com, so that no matter if you upgrade your device, these settings will apply to your new device. With stolen device protection, you may also be required to wait an hour before using your iPhone to make changes to critical security settings on your Apple account. If your iPhone is not in a familiar location, you must authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, wait for security delay to end, then authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. If you go into settings, then type in the search box stolen device protection, enter your passcode, scroll down to stolen device protection. Then you can adjust the settings away from familiar locations or always. Make sure you've got the stolen device protection toggled on. If you want, you can just go back into it to make sure you've saved it. Please like and subscribe.